jump rope crossovers, jump rope side to sides, and then jump rope side to sides to crossovers. First off, when you're doing a crossover, you're going to basically hug your hips like so. The rope should make a nice loop if your hands are on your hips. So as you're jumping, just try it out, just cross them. And this is a good way to see if you get in the right position. From there, then you're just gonna jump. I like to alternate my feet, and then whenever you're ready, you're going to take the arms across, and then bring them right back to the starting position. That's jump rope crossovers. Jump rope side to sides, you're gonna go side, side. Your hands stay apart as if you're doing a figure eight. You're gonna do the exact same thing while you're jumping rope. So all we're gonna do here is I'm jumping rope, side, side, come back with that crossover. Okay? Side, side, crossover again. Side, side, crossover. So right there, I did side to side, then I added the crossover to bring it all home. That's jump rope crossovers and side to side.